Hey guys, this is Karol yet with another affiliate marketing video, and today we are going to talk about how to choose product for your affiliate marketing business. Alright, how to choose the right one so you get those high commissions and big numbers of sales. Alright, I'm super excited for this topic, I hope you're as well, so let's get straight into it. So how do you choose the right product? How do you choose the product that really gets you those sales and commissions? Well, if I need to put it in a very simple way, I would say you need to choose a good product. Now you might say, alright Karol, that's pretty oversimplistic, like what do you mean by a good product? By a good product I mean it needs to be good in two ways. It needs to be a good product for the customer as well as a good product for yourself as an affiliate marketer. So let's expand on that. A good product for the customer is a product that actually delivers on the promise, is valuable for the customer. The customer is helped by the product itself, alright, and they like the product. The end result is a happy customer. Now there are many ways how you can ensure that the product is going to be helpful or valuable and the customer is going to be satisfied, and the best way is to actually be the customer of the actual product that you're promoting. Alright, that's like I always recommend this, to be the customer of the product you're promoting. Alright, because this way you will ensure that you know the product from the inside outside and you know exactly what it is all about. And it's not only about ensuring that the product is good, it will also help you in promoting. You will be more confident about promoting the actual product. Alright, now that's one way. Obviously, that's something I would recommend you to choose for your main product. But if you don't want to be the customer, or if you don't want to buy it, then there is a very good way how to ensure, alright, that the product is good, and you just need to do a little bit of research about the product. So what do we do? How do we do the research? Is you go on to the sales page of the product, right? And you look for some kind of like red flags. Something like, some overhyped headlines, something like an overpromising headlines that, you can see with your logical mind that, okay, something is not right. This sounds too good to be true, or this is just not possible. Right? Something like, for example, get rich in 2 weeks, or lose weight in 4 days without any exercise or any diet. Okay, something I'm doing it a little bit oversimplistic, but you get the point. All right, something that you see that it's just not going to be possible. All right, or earn $10,000 online without any work in 2 weeks. Right, that just doesn't really add up. If you're earning zero and in 2 weeks you're gonna earn 10,000, but you're not going to do any work, that's just not going to happen, right? You always need to do some work or have some experience or whatever, right? So look for these kind of red flags, okay? Another good thing is if the product has a refund policy or not, okay? What kind of a refund policy it is, okay? You can all find this on the sales page, okay? So that's number one. The next thing depends on where do you get the product. If you use affiliate networks such as ClickBank, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, and all of these ones, you can get kind of like an affiliate page. Usually they have an affiliate page or a page for affiliates where you can see all the details of it. So you can check also that page and just ensure it is a valuable product. What I like about it is that, or what kind of products I like to promote is informational products or pretty much products that actually teach people some skills, because these products are actually valuable and people always learn something from it. Alright? Now, that's pretty much how to choose or how to ensure that the product is good for the customer. Now, how do you ensure that the product is good for you as an affiliate marketer? Well, you need to look for something that is called a value ladder. Alright? Let me explain and let me use our board over here. So value ladder looks something like this. Alright? Now, doesn't look anything like a ladder, I know. It's more like a staircase, but that's just how it's called, value ladder. All right, so let's just continue with it. So what does it mean over here is that you have a product, okay, that you promote, and this product has different kind of like levels, which means you have a front end, okay, which you sell, and then there are some upsells or upgrades for the customer to choose. So what do you do as affiliate marketer is you drive the traffic, the customers, to the front end, which is usually very low priced product, okay? Usually it is under $10, but it can be up to $50, okay? Up to $50 is the front end product. So you drive the traffic to this offer over here, okay? And usually you get pretty high commission over here. Sometimes you can even get 75 to 100% commissions from these products. Especially if it is something like under $10, you can get even 100% commissions from it. Now, why is this important, or what is it? First of all, you get the customer over here, they buy the product, and now what happens is the customer enters kind of like this whole system, which is driven by the company that owns the product. All right, here is the company, okay, and they kind of like drive this whole system, and this is all about upsells and upgrades. So what does this company do with these people who you've driven is they offer them some upsells, and you know, this company perfected their upselling system. All right, they perfected it, so now they are kind of like selling for you, all right, instead of you, or on your behalf, and you will get commissions from these as well. Now, why is it going up? Means that all of these other prices are going to be higher and higher. So if the front end was $50, right, then we can have over here something for, let's say, $97. Okay, this is going to be, let's say, some done for you templates, right? Then we will have a product over here for, let's say, 147, or sorry, let's just use $197. Okay, let me actually write it properly so you can see it. So it's $197. All right, this is going to be maybe some in-depth training on copywriting course. All right, something like this. Another upsell over here is going to be for, let's say, $497, and that's going to be, let's say, some traffic mastery. All right, how to perfect paid ads and drive, you know, traffic to your offers. Another over here is going to be for $1,497, and that's going to be, let's say, some inner circle or one-on-one coaching with the actual product owner. And it can pretty much go on and on and on over here, okay? Literally sky's the limit. And it always goes up with these prices, all right? And you, as the affiliate marketer, you get commissions from all of these, okay? Usually it's going to be less than over here, okay? But you can still count maybe even around 50% commission. So, you know, 50% from 1,500 is a very nice commission, around $750, right? If I'm not mistaken. So this is what you can enjoy. This is how you get, you know, high commissions, all right? You're not gonna get millions from this front end, because in that case you would need to sell, you know, hundreds, you know, literally hundreds of those every single month. But you're going to get those high commissions and sales from these upsells and upgrades over here, all right? And that's pretty much from the same customer, all right? So this is pretty much how to choose the product, all right? I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned quite some things, all right? Hope you get some aha moments from this. If so, let me know in the comments below. Give me thumbs up if you like the video. And if you are interested in affiliate marketing, if you want to learn how to build your affiliate marketing business from A to Z and want to learn something more about these things, how to actually drive, you know, these people towards your offers and so on, go ahead, grab my 4-day video series in the link in the description below. It's completely free, you get full access to it, and I will see you inside of it. If not, completely fine. I wish you a great week ahead, and I will see you in the next videos. Bye guys.